Goku, the iconic character from Dragon Ball, is a Saiyan warrior known for his incredible strength and unwavering determination. As the series' protagonist, he embarks on epic adventures, showcasing his martial arts skills and the ability to harness powerful energy known as Ki. Trying to copy his voice is really hard because it's so unique. That's why people use different voice changers to try and sound like him. But not all of them can really nail the Goku voice filter, even if they say they're great. To make things easier, I want to tell you about one of the top voice changers called iMyPhone MagicMic. It's known for having really good Goku voice filters, so you can get that special sound without wasting time on other options. Now, let's check it out. After downloading MagicMic from the iMyPhone MagicMic website, the link is available in the description box below. Finish the setting steps to search for the Goku voice effect. Now, you are good to enjoy the voice filter and soundboard. And here you can check the preview of the Goku voice.
Feel the energy surge within me. I won't back down. My power is limitless, and I'll push beyond any limit to protect those I love. Get ready for a fierce battle.
Wow. If this video helps, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye. See you in the next video.